Hey, if you're tired of paying monthly hosting fees or struggling with slow websites, so you probably heard about Spark AI. Does it actually worth it? I tested it for weeks, no BS, no fluff. Let's be real. Spark is a one-time payment platform that gives us unlimited cloud hostings plus 99 AI agents like ChatGPT Pro, Tally AI, and even a website builder for lifetime. Means for years. No monthly bills, no monthly cost. Sounds like scammy. I also. When I look at first, I feel the exact now you're feeling, but it's fulfill all things. Crazy thing is its cost is too much low. So here's the truth. What they are providing, I tell you in less than 30 seconds. So let's talk their features. Most unlimited sites, no monthly bills, again same repeated. AI tools, blog post for those who do not try to hustle for creating unlimited quality blogs with daily. So, so this automate this plus images. If you interested in posting images, social media and etc. So that's the exactly. And third one is speed and security, fast loading, antivirus, full protection, and the last thing is beginner friendly for like us. Just drag and drop. Ah, that's it. That saved me no more $30 per month wasting on hosting rather than I. And second thing is it will build a basic site in less than 10 seconds. Seriously. And the third most important thing is the AI tool shockingly good for content and graphics. 24/7 uptimes no product have cons, but it might be 10 GB storage, great cost extra if you need more. The AI tool can be all now. Not for huge e-commerce sites, better for small like us, bloggers, marketers, and developers, all the stuff. And as my experience, I tested it for my blog. The AI wrote a solid post, made images, and built it fast speed 10 out of 8. But customizing designs, I look better. And price start from $17. Just go to description below and check out all things. Plus bonuses include training and extra tools, but which the upsells you might not need the pro tier. Is it perfect for me? For us? You hate monthly fees, you are a blogger, freelancer, or small biz, you want AI tools plus hosting in one place. If escape it, if you need tons of storage, you are a pro developer. It's simple, remember. It's completely for beginners. That's it. This Sparks still for the price, not flawless. But if you want cheap hosting plus AI help, 100% use the 30-day. Just go to the link in description and get huge bonus and my coupon code in this automatically attached. You redirect to direct their sales page